pay only $14.95 tax deductible, and you're going to have bulletproof records at the end of the year.
I just can't emphasize how strongly I feel about this, especially as someone who's kept lousy tax records and paid way more than I should have for many, many, many years, and now I'm keeping way better tax records and pay less than I ever have in the past, saving umpteen thousands of dollars a month. So, I mean, I'm devoted to this type of thing. It's so important. I'm so devoted to it. I take it on. I almost feel like we have an obligation to tell our friends, tell our neighbors, even strangers that are paying way, way, way too much in taxes. Let them know that they can save lots and lots and lots of money there, because so many families are being murdered by the IRS and by taxes and so forth, just murdered. It's ruining their lives in millions and millions of cases. It's ruining their lives and not letting them live a good life that they could live if they'll learn some of these things. And I think it's important, too, that we mention that this isn't something they'll save at the end of the year, right, Ron? This is something they save now. They can save that $300 to $400 or so now, not at the end of the year. They save it now.
The way that works is that Congress, when they pass this legislation, they said we're doing this to encourage people to get into and run a home-based business. But they recognize that your bills happen day after day, month after month, not at the end of the year, not April 15th at the end after every year. So they made it possible for you to change the amount of money being withheld from your paycheck for taxes starting immediately. So if you go to your payroll office say Monday morning and you change your payroll withholding to take $300-400 less, once you understand what the value of your tax rate, what they're going to be, you go there and change your payroll withholding, that will show up in your very next paycheck. So this happens now. This is like your very next payday, your very next paycheck have more money in it than the ones before it.
Yeah. Hey, Ron.
We're out of time, and this has been a valuable call. I hope people will re-listen to this. I hope people will send both their prospects and other distributors to the archives and listen to last week's call and this week's call. This is such valuable stuff. And if you're not able to send them into the archives because they're not members of Life as It Could Be, then take some notes. But whatever you do, get Ron's book. He told you how to get it. And also think about signing up right away for the CTA thing, because what an incredible, inexpensive cost to help you save thousands upon thousands of dollars a year. Because even if you're in network marketing like I've been forever, that doesn't mean we're doing it right. I've been in network marketing, but I've been doing it wrong. And now I'm starting to do it right, and it's because I've just taken this stuff to heart, and I decided I want to make an extra $10,000 or $20,000 or $30,000 a year, and I'm doing that just because I'm doing my taxes better. Because for me, it doesn't mean $3,000 or $4,000 or $5,000. For me, it means tens and tens of thousands by doing it right. So, Ron, I really thank you. We're out of time.
Hey, David.
We're out of time, Ron, and I just can't thank you enough for these last 2 weeks and being a participant on this. And we'll have you on again in a few months or something, a couple months or something, to say hi to the people again. But think about getting that CTA course.
David?
It could be. And getting the book. And Ron, why don't you say goodbye to everybody, okay?
Thanks so much. Again, that website is www.mlmtaxspecial.com, and that's where you can get the best price on all this information. But I give a 1-year money-back guarantee for anything I sell. So I don't want to sell somebody who doesn't need what I have to sell. So if it doesn't work for you, send it back, get your money back, any condition. It makes no difference. So the information I share with you, whether you buy it or not, will not affect my lifestyle, but it might affect your zip code. So go get this stuff, because it can really, really help you with recruiting, closing, and especially retention.
Thanks so much, Ron. We appreciate you, and glad you're part of our team. Thanks a lot.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everybody. Bye-bye.